Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's kitchen. Today we're going to be making some yellow potato curry. It's so delicious with some mustard seeds and jeera seeds, and you can serve it with whatever you'd like. We like it with dosa. I'll be making dosa as well. You're going to get your oil nice and hot and add your mustard seeds to the oil. I added 1 teaspoon. Wait for that mustard seeds to start popping and then start to add your onion. I added about 1 large onion which I sliced and added to the hot oil. Add your chillies. Remember, there's no masalas or chili powder, so I added about 4 sliced chilies to add that heat that we like. Next, add a heaped teaspoon of some fresh ginger and garlic. A heaped teaspoon of jeera seeds. Some thyme. I love the flavor of thyme in my potato curry. Let all of that simmer in, give it a mix, and let all those spices release its flavor. We will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is going to give your yellow potato curry that beautiful color. And a stem of curry leaves. Add 1 diced tomato. You don't have to wait for your tomatoes to simmer into the curry. You can almost immediately add your potatoes and let it cook with your potatoes. We'll mix it up and then add our salt and some water. You can add about half a cup of water depending on how much of potatoes you're using. Let that cook in for about 15-20 minutes. A top tip for after you add your boiling water is to add a tablespoon of butter and mix it into your potatoes before you put your lid on and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This really does enhance the flavor of your curry overall. In 20 minutes, you're done. Open your pot and garnish with some beautiful fresh dhania and serve. It's a quick and easy yellow potato curry that you can enjoy with your dosa. Look out in the next video for dosa. I'll be making a very easy, simple recipe for you. There's no right and wrong ways. There's different ways of having dosa. But check it out in the next video. Thank you and see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Like and share, and your comments are very welcome.